Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to purchase Litecoin on Coinbase on your iPhone or Android. As long as you have the Coinbase application, you'll be able to do this. Now, if you guys don't have your Coinbase account already, I do have a tutorial showing you guys how to create your Coinbase account, and I'll link that in the description as well as in the comment section down below if that is needed. Otherwise, once you have your Coinbase account set up, it is very easy to purchase Litecoin. All you guys have to do is head over to the Coinbase application and open that up. Once you're on the Coinbase application, you just want to navigate down to the bottom where you see the little blue circle and the two arrows. You want to go ahead and click on that, and then just click on Buy Crypto with Cash. Once you guys do that, you will then see all the assets that you're able to buy on Coinbase, and Litecoin being one of them here. So all I have to do is click on Litecoin, and then you have a couple different options once you come into this screen right here. If you just click on one-time purchase, you can then repeat this purchase if you would like to. You can do it every day, every week, the 1st and 15th of every month, and every month as well. So if you guys want to preset this so you guys don't have to keep coming back to the application, you can do that if you'd like to. Otherwise, if you just want to keep it on one-time purchase, you can just keep it on one-time purchase. And then all you have to do is simply put the number of dollars that you want to do in your native currency into Litecoin. So let's just say if I wanted to do $100, I can go ahead and type in $100 and then just click on Preview Buy. Once you guys do that, you will then see the purchase price that you're going to be putting into Litecoin, the Coinbase fee, and as well as how much Litecoin you would be getting in exchange for your native currency. So in this case, for the $100 Canadian, it'll be 0.33 Litecoin. And then obviously, if you just want to go through with it, you just want to click on Buy Now here at the very bottom. And then once you guys do that, you guys can navigate out of here and head over to where it says Portfolio at the bottom here. Click on that, and then you just scroll down, and under Litecoin, you will then see that it will show your balance. Obviously, for me, it's 0 because I didn't go through with the purchase, but if you guys did, it will then show you your balance in Litecoin. Now, if you guys want to learn how to transfer your Litecoin out of this and into a wallet that's secure, just let me know. I'll be happy to make more videos showing you guys how to transfer things as well. Otherwise, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to purchase Litecoin on Coinbase. If this video does help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.